In this video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome in your laptop on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and if there is an update available, you can see in the top right hand corner, in my case it says new Chrome available, update is available. So if you actually give this a click, it's going to ask you to relaunch to update. The option is going to be there at the top. But to see if there is an update available, what you can also do once you've clicked onto the three dots is come down to the help option down here. Once you hover over this, you're going to get a submenu, and what you want to do is click onto About Google Chrome. Now, if there is an update available, you're going to see in the About section, it's going to tell you to relaunch Chrome if there is an update, in which case all you would do is simply click onto relaunch, and what it's going to do is close down and relaunch Google Chrome. Don't worry, as you're not going to lose any of your tabs that was already opened, but once Chrome reopens, as you can see, it now says that Chrome is up to date, so there's no updates available and the update has been installed successfully. So that's how to update Google Chrome in a laptop on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.